Well, welcome to Gateway Bronco at Barrett Jackson Northeast, where we're at the Mohegan Sun Casino and looking here at a Coyote-powered Bronco. Should look like it came right from the factory. Straight as an arrow, Audi leather interior. And what we're going to talk about now is, it's behind the scenes. Nobody is here. It is wide open. And look at this. This is the rolling chassis that we'll be building here live in our booth from the Ryan Blaney Foundation. And the thing I want to talk about here, you've got a Coyote 5-liter engine, you've got a brand new 6R80 6-speed transmission, and it's this Barrett USA supercharger. This technology is an Eaton TVS technology, the same that's in the brand new Ford GT500, the same technology in that supercharger. And come join us Saturday when this gets installed.